Today we're doing Fawn, which is a very easy Linux machine on HTB. First question here is what does the three-letter acronym FTP stands for? And that stands for File Transfer Protocol. This is a protocol that it's outdated by something called the SFTP, which is the secure version. File transfer protocol is an old protocol used to transfer files. It's not used nowadays because it's not encrypted. Which port does FTP service usually listen on? That's port 21. So if you see port 21, it's FTP. FTP sends data in clear text without any encryption. What acronym is used for later protocols designed to provide similar functions to FTP, but securely as an extension of the SSH protocol? That's SFTP, which is, it just stands for secure FTP. It's pretty easy to remember. What's the command we use to send the ICMP echo request to test our connection to the target? That's just ping. So just go grab the IP, terminal, you do ping IP, and it's sending a response back, which means we're connected and we can reach the target machine. So ping. From your scans, what version is FTP running on the target? Let's see. We do nmap -sv-sc in the IP. What SV does is it shows us what version of FTP is running, or what version of any program is running, but specifically FTP, since that's what it's asking for. Basic scripts just run some basic enumeration scripts to see if like anonymous logon is potentially possible. Let's see. That's 3.0.3. And then from your scans, what OS type is running on the target? Let's see, it's Unix OS. Let's see, Unix. And then we have what's the command we need to run in order to display the FTP client help menu? FTP and then -h. -h or --help will show you the help menu of 99% of programs. It's useful to know. And then we have FTP-h. Okay. It's not -h, which is usually what's used for programs. --help can also be used. It's actually FTP-? And it lists all the possible flags. Flags are just options for the program. So, boom. What is username that is used over FTP when you want to log in without having any account? That's anonymous. And just to make it easier, so I don't have to type it, because it's gonna ask us to log in later. And what you can see from the earlier nmap scan here is anonymous FTP login allowed. And that's why we use the -sc for basic scripts. It tests for misconfigurations that are easy to find. And then next question here is, what is the response code we get for the FTP message login successful? I'm guessing 200. I'll check. FTP. /u anonymous, or we just do that anonymous. Login successful 230. I guess 200 because that's what the web servers give you if request is successful. So but it's 230. There are a couple of commands we can use to list the files and directories available on FTP server. One is dir. What is the other? That is a common way to list files on a Linux system. That's just ls. What's the command used to download a file? That's get. Okay, so right now we're in the FTP terminal. It works similar to Linux, like pwd. You can use who am I think? No, never mind. You can use dir, which is Windows actually, but yeah. We can download because you can use cat flag.txt, and we can exit FTP cat flag.txt, bam, and then we copy that, we go over here and we submit the root flag, and that's Fawn. It's pretty simple FTP, like get to know FTP. Thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed the video, see ya.